In this video, we list 5 best smart home alarms. We talk about details and feature of these smart home alarms. Let's get started with the video. Number 1. Netgear Lowepro. 100% wire-free, free of power cords. HD video, enjoy sharp, detailed video. Live streaming, watch live or recorded. Smart siren, 100 plus decibel siren. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Blink XT. Weatherproof for outdoor or indoor use. Built-in motion sensor alarm. Battery-powered security camera system. Smart home camera security system with HD video. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Amcrest 960H. See every detail in 4MP HD resolution so you can finally decipher face from fiction. Experience a super wide 100 degrees viewing angle, motion detection, and night vision up to 98 feet. Record, playback, and store footage directly onto your DVR with a pre-installed 1 TB hard drive. This security system is capable of supporting up to an 8 TB hard drive. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. RealLink 4MP. Get magnificent images/videos with 1440p cameras. Advanced IR night vision can capture up to 100 feet in darkness. Viewing angle, horizontal, 80 degrees, vertical, 58 degrees. Night vision, 65 to 100 feet, 18p CSIR LEDs. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 5. GW Security. Excellent video quality and clarity, 2592 x 1920p, 2592 TVL. Built-in 2.812mm motorized 4x optical zoom megapixel HD lens. Smart search for selected area in the video, and smart playback to improve the efficiency. The latest H.265 video compression. Please check the description for details and best price. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.